How to download Roblox game on Android. So if you want to play the Roblox game on your Android, either on Samsung or any other Android device, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to download Roblox games on Android or on your mobile phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Play Store app on your phone. Once opened the Play Store, click on the Spotlight search at bottom right, then search for Roblox, and then click on the first suggestion or click on the search button. Once you search for Roblox, then here you should see the Roblox, click on it. If you want to download the Roblox game where you see Roblox Corporation in app purchases, so go ahead and click on install and then hang on. So if you have a very strong internet connection, this should be downloaded and installed on your phone in less than few seconds. So the Roblox file size is about 135 MB and with a speed of 100 megabytes per second, then you should be able to download and install the Roblox in less than 5 minutes. Now, once you download the Roblox app from the Play Store, you just want to hang on a couple of seconds for the Roblox application to install. You can just go ahead and click on the play button, or better still, go to your home screen or app screen and then click on the Roblox app logo. Then hang on while the Roblox app or Roblox game opens. You can see loading. I'm just doing this for the first time on my Android phone, and that's why you are saying loading, and then the Roblox games is loading for the first time. So there you go. You can now go ahead, create your Roblox account, or click on the sign in button to sign into your Roblox account. So that is basically how to download and install Roblox on Android or on mobile. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.